be a second wife. Ebem.
When you need
what must say? Ma akwalanu enimu how to be a second wife. What must say?
Yeah, banana.
Uwo baba treno. How to accommodate and be a second wife, or how to invite a second woman in the marriage. It means that train the children with the mentality of polygamy. That's one of the nice ways that we're going to start now training our children. Polygamy mentality. Number 2, train the children.
Polygamy mentality.
Yes. Every daughter must have.
Akwalano, they share it to say, oh man, and yes, obey me, your second wife.
Now, obey me, your second wife. You can be the first, but expect a second. It's long life prosperity. In Jesus' name, I pray.
Just say we knew where we be and sequence. Say, oh, your first wife, no, second wife.
Congratulations. What must I say? So,
congratulations to who?
To those who are going to follow this parenting mentality, because Queen Statiway, she can't be the only wife.
I didn't know cancer.
Because Otiway, she is also qualified to be the next wife.
Next wife of wine. Of
any worthy, rich, sensible man. Because the group 77, you know, since you're my daughter. And omuni akadia de wari obati say every week or sesa. And to them just say, let's raise the girls to have what we call the mentality of polygamy. Number 2, develop them to have the mistress mentality.
Hey,
me can be see and come ye dinosaur. Mistress mentality, because obeme bia utie ye na utwinya kukudru fa yirechi na unya mistress, you miss all your stresses. Heaven gate is open for you.